Hello, my name is Cedric from SCP1 Group 1 PropSearch, and today we will be showing you our PropSearch website. The main objective of this project is to create a website for HDB buyers that shows the demographics and amenities of a given area. The PropSearch website targets potential property buyers in Singapore and aims to give them insights on the community that they wish to buy a property in. Users can also log in as a member and share listings that they might have and want to share with the public. The main function of the PropSearch website allows users to discover more information about the communities that they wish to stay in. For example, let's say we want to know more about Ang Mo Kio. We can select Ang Mo Kio as a region and select the data that we want to be displayed. And after selecting the data and clicking the search button, the PropSearch website will redirect us to the search result page. And as you can see, the search result page is populated with data from a government API, which has information pertaining to the region. And as you can see a lot of information, all of which we can adjust. And we can even download a PDF version of the page. And you can see that all the data has been exported into a PDF file. You can also go and see an area overview using the Google Maps API by clicking the Area Overview tab. And as you can see, we can know more about the general items in the community, such as hospital, clinic, school, shopping center, petrol station, and religious places. The PropSearch website also allows users to either sign in or register as a member to be able to upload listings to share with the public. As you can see, on the top right hand corner, there's a Hello User button which we will click, which will allow us to either register or to sign in. And if we click the register button, the website will redirect us to the registration page, which allows us to input our details to be able to register an account. After entering our details, we can see that the registration page actually checks our data to see whether it is valid or invalid. As you can see, the email address is not valid because we are missing a .com at the end, and the website returns that we have not entered a valid email address. So to fix this, we'll put in the .com at the back. And after fixing it, we can see that the box turns green. And the password is also wrong because we did not confirm our password. As you can see, if I enter a wrong password, it says password mismatch. After entering the correct password, it shows that the password matches the original password. And then we can register a new user, Cedric001. And you can see the registration is successful. And now we can try to log in. Now that we have registered, we can sign in. Clicking the top right hand button again, we can enter the details that we used to register, and the page will redirect us to the member options page, which will allow us to add our listing, modify our listing, or change our password. Now we will demonstrate the add listing function. By clicking the add listing button, we are redirected to the add listing page where we can enter our location details. For example, we have a terrace house for rent and Ang Mo Kio which costs $1,000 a month for rental. We have all the necessary facilities available, and we even have a photo that we can upload. By entering all these details, we can click the submit button and we will be able to upload our listing to the PropSearch website. As you can see, the listing has been successfully added. But what happens if you have made a wrong entry? We can actually click the modify listing to modify our existing listing. As you can see, we can see our listing and we can modify it by clicking the modify listing button. And we can actually just change the details here. And once we click the update button, we can see that the listing has been updated. If we return to the main page, we can actually search for our property. By clicking search Ang Mo Kio And going to the property listing tab, we can see that our property has been uploaded to the database and we can view it. See, there's a description in the amenities and our email. Another option in the member option page is the change password function, which you can select if you want to change our password. And if we click change password, we can see that our password has been updated successfully. The final feature we'd like to show you is our administrator feature. If you log in as an administrator, we are able to see what administrator can do. And what administrator can do is you can see an overview of all the available members and all the available listings that have been uploaded into our databases. Administrator is also able to delete members and their listings as they see fit. For example, I can delete this Bishan listing, which has put its description as Novena. If I click delete, you can see that the listing has been successfully deleted. I can also delete a duplicate user, in this case, by clicking the delete button under the user's username. And as you can see, the member has been deleted. We have come to the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening. Bye.